Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you my sleek eye puff tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I like to do my sleek eye puff when my hair is not too stretched and when it's not too kinky. This is an old braid out. I'll start by spritzing my edges with water. Then I'll apply olive oil to kind of hold the water in place. I'll brush the water and the olive oil with this brush into my hair. Then I'm going to take Eco Styler gel, anyone I feel like using for that day. I'm going to take Eco Styler gel and I'm going to apply that all around my hair and use the same brush to brush the gel into my hair. Then I'm going to take satin scarf and I'll use that to slick my hair down and make it lay down. I usually put the satin scarf on for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how long I can hold it. And I'm going to take the satin scarf off, and as you can see, my edges are laid, my hair is going in one direction, in the direction of my eye puff. Then I'm going to take that satin scarf again and I'll use it to pull my hair up. This is the trick I found that works for my thick hair, to make sure that every of my hair is going up without me having unnecessary headache when I'm pulling my hair up. So I'm going to use that satin scarf to pull my hair up and I'm going to secure the scarf. Then I'm going to use my pin comb to pick my hair at this time to make sure that I have that volume on the top of my hair once I'm done with my eye puff. I'm going to take this elastic band which I cut out of an old tie, and I'm going to use that to secure my eye puff. I'll put it around my hair starting from the front, I'll cross it at the back, then I'll pull it up at the back, and I'll use the remainder of the string to pull the string tight and make it a little bit tight. I'll hold it in place and take out the satin scarf I used to secure my puff. And I'm going to pull my hair to make sure that my hair is sleek, and this is the first way in which I wear my eye puff. And the other way in which I wear it is when I want it so sleek and so snatched. That way I'll take out the hairband I secure and I'll pull it tight, so when I'm okay with how tight and how sleek my hair is, then I'm going to secure it at the back. So that is how I do my sleek eye puff. So simple, so straightforward. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.